Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into ArcSite, the powerful construction software that helps contractors, estimators, and field professionals save time and close more deals with precision. So let's begin by going to the official website, which is arcsite.com. On the top corner, you have the ability to log in using your credentials, but of course, the better option is to click the sign up button. If you do, you will be forwarded here. Just provide all the information needed so you can access the platform for a 14-day free trial. To make the account creation faster and easier, as you may notice that you can sign up using your Google, with your Apple, or with your business email. And then, you will be forwarded to the main platform of ArcSite. And as you may notice that the interface is very clean, it's user-friendly, and we have been using ArcSite for quite some time, and let me tell you, it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you why. Let's begin with the dashboard. This gives you a high-level overview of your account's activity. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. But normally, you would see all the recent projects and updates, proposals, and invoice status summaries right here. A quick access to commonly used tools. And of course, this is ideal for getting a snapshot of your workload, progress, and pending items as soon as you logged in. So basically, this is going to be the landing page after you logged in. For example, you have the payments received, refund, and approved proposals, and a lot more. Now, we go to the projects section. This is mainly the central hub for all your design and job files. If you want to create a new project, we're going to create one right here. Let's say ArcSite. Now, there is a drop-down menu here. If you want to choose that, you can choose the client detail if you wanted. So we're going to put something here. And then we're going to put in a cover image. Once you are happy with that, I'm going to click the create button. Okay, so we have created our first project here. And then if you click on it, you can import PDF, create more drawings if you wanted, multi-drawing export, download all, share, and of course, the project info if you want to take a look on it. Of course, you have the ability to update if there is necessary information that you want to include, right? So that's for the project. Now, if we hover to the proposal, you may notice that the proposal gives you the ability to generate and manage professional client-facing proposals. You can pull data directly from your drawings like quantities or product selections. You can customize templates and pricing. You see that you can add products and settings, right? Take you to the product if you want to import from library, or if you want to add a new product, let's do that. Description. And you can use the visual type and the visual drawing unit, pricing method, unit price. And once you have done that, click the price. So let's say in this instance, area. All right, and then click the create button. So we have now, maybe this one right here. Choose that. So we have created our first product here as part of the proposal. And of course, you can bundle that if you want to create a new bundle. All right, so you can click that, choose a visual style, maybe shape for now. We're going to click on OK. Choose the shapes, maybe this one right here. Okay. We're going to choose that and click the OK button. So we need to choose one bundle. And then I'm going to skip this for now. I'm going to hover to the product groups. If you want to create a new product, you can do that. Name of the product. Add the product right here. I'm going to choose this one instead. Okay, so we have that already covered. Now, we're going to cancel that and we're going to the proposals again, because the proposals is where you can track status like sent or accepted, rejected. You can quickly convert drawings and job scope into polished proposals ready to send to clients. And obviously, the invoices is where you create and send invoices for approved work. You can turn accepted proposals into invoices right here. You can add custom line items or taxes. You can track payments and outstanding balances. You can handle your billing process efficiently and keep tabs on your cash flow within the invoice tab. Obviously, the product is what we have done earlier, wherein we can manage the catalog of materials, equipment, and services. I find it very useful because you can store reusable items with pricing, description, and images. You can sync product data with proposals and invoices from the product, so they work both hand in hand. You can update inventory and service list centrally, which is really helpful to maintain consistency and accuracy when coding or invoicing jobs. And then there is going to be the settings section. You can configure your account and user preferences. You see that you have the products, right? Products, estimates, field data. You have tax rates. You can fine tune all of these payments. Obviously, currency, proposal templates if you have that. If you don't have any proposal template, let's begin with this one. So maybe about pest control. Okay, so let's create that. Now, if you want to add block or create a section break, you can do that. These are all drag and drop, right? It's up to you. So you can be creative, take your time, familiarize yourself with the template builder. And then, as you may notice, here, once you're happy with that, you can publish this to the app itself. If you are happy with that, you can publish the app and then you can save it for now for the past proposal, right? And then you have the integrations if you want to work with different third-party services such as JobNimbus, WiseTech, QuickBooks, Zoho CRM, Jobber, Salesforce, and a lot more. That's for the apps. For the product manager, you have Service Titan, WiseTech dashboard. You can simply connect that if you have an account. It's a lot easier so that you can fine-tune your company's workflow, branding, and policies. And of course, you have the developer options if you are working with your programmer, your tech ID. You can use the API tokens, webhooks, and of course, your identity. You have the domain management and SSO. Now, if you feel that ArcSite is going to be the platform for you, click the subscription plans. And as you may notice, we are using the free plan, but after the trial ends in 14 days, you can choose from the following. If you feel that you need the Draw Basic, that is $10 per month, and you get to have all these. The Draw Pro is at $30 per month, and you get to have all these perks and benefits. The takeoff is $99, and the estimate is around $129. But do not be overwhelmed with the choices for now because you have 14 days for you to immerse yourself with the ArcSite platform. You can take your time, all right? Leverage all of the tools here and familiarize yourself. And if you wanted to become an affiliate here for ArcSite, you might want to provide all the information needed so you can refer and earn with ArcSite. You can join ArcSite's affiliate program to generate new revenue, a passive income, while helping your industry grow and prosper. Once accepted, of course, you can offer friends and colleagues 10% of their ArcSite subscription, and you will receive a 10% recurring commission on the sale for up to a year. All I have to do is provide all the information needed, and once you are accepted, one of the sales experts here at ArcSite will contact you. All right? And with that being said, and that wraps up our walkthrough of ArcSite. If you are a contractor, estimator, or field technician looking to save time, impress clients, and close deals faster, ArcSite is definitely worth exploring. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you get more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.